Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sydney. If you are new to my channel, I am a thrifter, Poshmark seller. I've been selling on Poshmark for 5 years now. I was also a closet consultant at PoshFest in Dallas last year. If you're going to PoshFest this year, definitely comment down below. I would love to meet you. Today we have an awesome thrift haul, some things that I picked up to sell on Poshmark, and I'm just gonna jump right into the haul and show you guys what I got. First thing I got is this Victoria's Secret bralette. Bralettes are like kind of bras that are meant to be seen, I guess. Like you can wear them like a tank top, like you would wear under a top. But this is Victoria's Secret Body by Victoria. You can always tell the tags for Victoria's Secret. Looks like that. So I picked this up. I think I paid around $2 for it. I don't normally like to pay a lot for stuff like this, but if I can find it cheap enough, I will pick it up. Next is a swimsuit that I picked up. It is Collections by Catalina. It has the bottoms, and then the top is really cute. It's like a halter style top that has like little detail in the middle, and then it ties front and back. Also Collections by Catalina. I will probably list these separately because they're different sizes, and just make a note in the listing that the other piece is also available. This is a maxi dress. I can't show the entire thing, but it's floor length dress. Just like scoop neck, really simple, basic. It's lined to about the knees, and it is by Cabby. I am pretty picky in terms of what I will pick up from this brand, but considering we're in summer now and this is a really cute maxi dress, it's really good quality, it's lined. It was around like $5, so I picked this up. I myself don't wear maxi dresses because I'm so short, but people tend to like them, so I try to pick them up when I can. This is another swim piece. It is Collections by Catalina. It is a swim skirt. It has like the briefs underneath of it. This is a size 2X, so whenever I can find swimsuits in plus sizes, I try to pick them up. If you guys want to sell on Poshmark and you need more help with your sourcing, I have 3 sourcing guides now that are available down below, so definitely check those out. And those also come with memberships to my Posh Boss mentor group, which is my private Facebook group where you can ask for feedback, ask questions directly. And it also includes access to my private share group as well, where you can get your closet shared, share other people's closets. Lots of networking included with my sourcing guides, so definitely check those out in the description box. This shirt is Lululemon. I'm not sure the exact style. It has the little symbol. I almost missed it because it was in with the t-shirts. It doesn't have the tag on it, so I'm gonna have to figure out what size it is. So I'm gonna measure it and then try to compare that to either the measurements on their website or try to find like a similar top listed and see if it has measurements in it. I'm guessing it's around like a 2 or a 4 though. It's kind of small. Next is this really cute Athleta dress. It's like a kind of this weird halter style dress. It ties in the back. Scoot back a little bit. It ties in the back, but it has like a really interesting neckline with the halter, which I thought was really cute. But it is by Athleta. I love finding Athleta stuff. It sells so well. But it's like an athletic tennis dress, I guess, or like a pool cover up. I guess it could be either. Really, really nice quality athletic wear from Athleta. So people really like this brand. Next, I picked up this pullover. It's Under Armour. This is just really, really nice. It's a cold gear pullover, size medium. I wish you guys could feel this. Like, it just feels really, really nice. It's got like a hint of metallic to it, so it has a little bit of sparkle. Just like a plain turtleneck style Under Armour shirt, but it's really, really nice. It feels so nice. And it's got the little Under Armour symbol at the bottom. I can get it out. Next item I picked up is this J. Crew top, size medium. It's really, really cute. It's lightweight. It kind of feels, it's not linen, but it kind of feels like linen. It's definitely cotton. It has this really cute embroidered detail around the cuffs and around the neckline that goes around to the back. And it's really lightweight. So this could definitely be worn any time of the year. Like if someone works at an office with air conditioner. A lot of people like to wear longer sleeves all year round just because they're inside and freezing. But I thought this was just the cutest little top, and J. Crew is always good quality and sells pretty consistently. This I was so excited to find. It is a Lily dress. It was kind of hanging off the back of a rack and I almost missed it. But it's so pretty. You guys can see this pattern. It's really, really bright, so pretty. It's got the like signature Lily neckline with the lace down the front. I just absolutely love this. It's so cute. This is so cute for summer, spring, church, baby shower. Absolutely love finding the Lily dresses. They sell so well. Next is another Athleta top. This is just like a basic tank with, there we go, that's the back. So it has like the little straps in the back and it kind of cuts down in the back with a regular scoop neck. And it's kind of like a high-low cut, but again, Athleta, really good brand to pick up. Last two things are like t-shirt style. I found this Carrie Underwood Storyteller Tour t-shirt. It's got the cities on the back. I love finding like artist band tees. They do really well. This is from 2016. So obviously they don't make this anymore. So people collect these, which is why I like to get them. She's on tour right now as well. So people will be wanting her t-shirts. This last one, I just couldn't leave it behind. It's from American Horror Story, if you watch American Horror Story. But all the pictures have, his name is Evan Peters, or Peterson, Evan Peters. I think it's Peters. But he's so funny. It's an entire tank top of him. I thought this was hilarious. I just couldn't leave it there. It's like a whole collage from American Horror Story. I thought it was amazing. At first I thought it was something that somebody had like made themselves, but it's actually a licensed product. I didn't know American Horror Story had like merch, I guess. But I couldn't leave it there. I'll put it on Poshmark. If you are an American Horror Story fan, definitely go check that out. But this is my thrift haul for today. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below for me. Again, check out my sourcing guides if you need help with sourcing things to resell. There's a ton of information in there, brands, notes, all kinds of stuff. But yeah, that's my haul for today, and I will see you guys in the next video.